Hello, and myself Neeraj Mishra is CA. Again came back with a new video in which I am going to explain the most important topic of class 9, and the topic is related to chapter 3, unit 3, and the topic is a storage device. Students, as in the last video, I already discussed about the output devices, and we learned about the different output devices of the computer. But the storage device is basically used to store the data in computer either temporarily or permanently. Students, as we have classified the memory units or the memory devices in two different types. The first one is the primary memory, that includes RAM, ROM, cache, EPROM, double EPROM, PROM, register, etc., and they all are the basic memory of the computer, and about which we have already discussed in the last classes. But the secondary memory includes all those computer storage disks which are used to hold the data permanently for future use, such as hard disk, floppy disk, compact disk, DVD means digital versatile disks, Blu-ray disk, flash drive or pen drive, memory stick or memory card, etc. These all are the examples of the secondary memory. Students, as for the place where these all storages are placed to store the data, as these all storage devices placed in the computer will help us to categorize the devices also in the two different types. The first one is internal storage and the second one is the external storage. Internal storage, that are the devices which are used inside or which are included inside the system unit box, such as RAM, ROM and hard disk. But the external storage refers those one kind of memory, those one kind of storage media or the device basically used to store and carry out the data from one place to another place. It is a portable device to store the information, such as CD, DVD, Blu-ray disc, USB pen drive or flash memory, and so on. Students, as we have learned the internal storage and which example is a hard disk. So hard disk as an internal storage is fixed inside the system unit box and store the informations permanently, store the data permanently for future use. It is a non-volatile storage area of the computer, and it will never lose the data even the computer accidentally turned off or switched off or suddenly shut down due to the power cut. The data can be lost. The data can only be lost in case of the hard disk is broken or the disk is corrupted. जब तक हार्ड डिस्क करप्ट या डिस्क टूटता नहीं है, तब तक अगर कंप्यूटर एक्सीडेंटली अगर टर्न ऑफ भी हो जाता है, तो भी हार्ड डिस्क में डेटा आपका जो है खत्म नहीं होता, डेटा परमानेंट मौजूद रहता है. This is the nature of the hard disk. This is the nature of the permanent disk. Next one disk is a optical disk. Optical disk, CD, DVD and Blu-ray discs are known as the optical discs, and as an external storage which is used to store the data using the laser beam of light. That is why it is called the optical discs, because the laser beam of light is used to read and write the data from and to the disks. So the first one external storage is compact disk. The feature of the compact disk, it is a portable disk and a permanent storage device look like a circular disk, circular plate, and which one side is polished. With some magnetic materials, and its size is 4.7 inches and has a capacity to store 650 to 700 MB of data. This is the CD, this is the compact disk. Second one is the DVD. DVD is also a portable permanent storage media, look like as a circular plate in which one or two sides are polished. One-sided DVD has a 7.4 GB storage capacity, and the double-sided DVD has about 17 GB storage capacity, and it is likely to store the high definition video and audio also. Third one type of storage disk, optical storage disk, is Blu-ray disk, and this is the popular and the latest optical disk type to store the large amount of high definition video, and its storage capacity varies in between 25 GB to 50 GB. One single layer Blu-ray disk having the capacity 25 GB, having the storage capacity 25 GB, but the double layer disk is having the capacity to store about 50 GB of data, and it is also very durable. It is not easily scratched. That's why this one Blu-ray disc is quite affordable and quite popular to store the high definition video. Next one is the flash drive. Flash drive, this is the alternate name of the pen drive, and you are quite known about using the pen drive, and you all would have seen working the pen drive because the disk drive is active. Why it is called flash drive? Because the disk drive icon is active only when the flash memory is connected with the computer. जब कंप्यूटर से इस पेन ड्राइव को कनेक्ट करते हैं तभी इसका ड्राइव ओपन होता है, इसलिए इसको ज्यादातर हम लोग फ्लैश ड्राइव कहते हैं. And this is very easy to carry the data from one location to another using the storage type, and very sophisticated to use. It can be used again and again for storing and removing the data from this storage. It is possible to store or remove the data again and again from and to that pen drive. It is very easy to carry from one place to another place. It is a portable device to store the information. Next one type of device to store the information is memory stick or card, memory card, and very compact in comparison to the pen drive. It seems to be as a chip. It seems to be a memory chip, may also be called the memory chip, and used mostly with the digital camera, smartphones, tablets to store the data permanently. So these all are the types of the disks and basically classified as an internal and external storage. Basically used to classify as internal and external storage to store the information. But the informations will reside permanently in these all the disks. So after this line, the topic related to the chapter has been completed. So we'll meet you again with the new topic in which I shall explain about the ports. Ports basically used to connect or to plug in the different external devices with the computer, about which we will explain in the next class. Till have a nice day and thank you.